Guys, I know I'm not posting a lot already. It's been like, a lot of times, so I'm going to show you guys how to edit using what's it called? Lightroom. So first, install your Lightroom. I already installed my Adobe Lightroom, so it's called Adobe Lightroom. So I'm going to show you how to edit this one. So yes, this one, and more. I edit also that one. Sorry for the notifications, guys. This one and more. So the original is that one. Yes, that one and this one. So that's the original. So first, you add you see this like image and has a plus on it. Click that one. Then you're gonna choose the photo that you wanna edit. I'm going to edit a family photo. And then you add. So you go to all photos after you're done adding. There's your photo. You press that. I'm just gonna cut this one because I just screenshot this. It's not because it's not in the phone. So for the noise. So then we're done stuffing it. Then we're going to go to if you don't want to edit, then you can also use auto. See? But I don't like to use auto. Okay. Then you can choose your color. I like the artistic one. It's my favorite. Right. Then you can change the color of the photo. Like that. Let's just go there. And then do that you're just gonna press OK. And I'm gonna go to light, so the lightings. So exposure. It's the lighting of the photo. As you can see that it's really bright. Change to medium, darker. This is good. And contrast is like fade away or like something. So I get my additional highlights. So I don't want to add highlights. I like it darker. Shadows. And other shadows. There you go. It depends on how you like it. White, it like makes the white one. I like that one. See, it's getting the black. It's made up. It has the temper, blue or green. So that's the temper. Yeah, so I'm just gonna make it normal. Tint, the green, so you can make it green. So I'm just gonna tint it blue. There. That's good. Vibrance. Like the clouds. Yeah, that's good. Saturation. But I don't like our body's like green, so I'm just gonna change the tempo. And then tint some area. Saturation. Since it's yellow. We wrote the yellow, so get rid of that. And texture. Right there. Clarity. So you can see the clouds changing to blue, and then it's like fadeaways. It's like cartoon. There. The haze. There. They won't fade. And vignette. So I don't like vignette, so I'm just gonna do this. It's midpoint. I don't know what this is, but just figure it out. Feather. roundness. That's good. Highlights, and then you can change the size and more. So that's how I'm gonna edit. Then if you want to save it, you go to this one, sign, there. I'm gonna export as. Press that. Then press the check one, this one. And it's gonna export your gallery. So okay. Then you can go away. And that's the photo. So I'm gonna show you the before and after. This is the before on the left corner and the after on the right corner. So you can do more. There's also like you can that one, this is the before and this is the after, like that. More. You can also, it's like social media but for edits. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye guys.